you like it. I had this opportunity to work with Salman sir, as in, what can get bigger than that? And Murugadas sir, I've always wanted to work with him because, I entered the industry 8 years ago, but I've been watching sir's work since way before I got into the industry. But watching him do his films is so incredibly short read today, and I'm really honored. And Sajid sir, of course, I think for this film is the first time sir called me and he was like, listen, we wanted to work with each other and I have a great script for you. And that's when it all started. But it's been super special. Of course, I haven't gotten any opportunity to work with the ladies, with the scene in front of whatever dialogues and all of that. But I hope I get to do so. They're so gorgeous, they're so beautiful. So I'll probably be like, very pretty the whole time.
And so are you.
Thank you.
It's worked so wonderfully well. And congratulations on continue to run with this also. That's what Salman sir, Murugadas sir and Sajid sir are also hoping. Fantastic, Sajid sir, but you've got this Salman sir, and you understand what the audience wants. It's both ways. It's a very fine line at balancing but you as a producer, it really is nerve-wracking sometimes, Yes, everyone expects these massive numbers all the time, but when you're out there, you're picking the dates, you're picking the kind of script, you're picking, even in this case, calling Rashmika. Just describe the entire process of Sikandar that was for you.
I don't know. Every time they say Friday decides our career. We're not what we were last year or what we were year before. Every Friday is new.
No, whole film, sir. When you see the whole film, have you walked in and said, perfect, there are only 5 days to go now?
Yeah.
Are you fully satisfied now?
Yeah.
Any more cuts left? No.
Yeah. Hero introduction, interval black, climax, all high points I like.
5 day shooting still left.
Thank you so much for the great opportunity. I want to thank your grandfather also.
Not now. You can thank him a few years later. But if you don't thank him right now, we can arrange that also.
He just has such a large heart, and Salman sir is there, it always, I remember when we were doing Race 3 also, and when Bobby sir had come and big body was there and all, and now, just imagine where he's reached. It's fantastic. You look at Bobby 2.0. Look at how it's happened. Is this going to be Sharman 2.0?
I hope so. Good evening, everyone. I would really like to firstly thank Salman sir. He's given me throughout the making of this film. I've really enjoyed working on this film. I would also like to thank Sajid sir for this wonderful opportunity.
जी भर के देख लीजिए फिर आपके नसीब में ये रात हो रात नहीं रात.
Wonderful. This is, I think, just an incredible family atmosphere also that's happened there. Salman sir, who was the most surprising performance in all the cast? Who really surprised you when you saw it?
I think all of them are fantastic, and they've worked really, really hard. Especially Miss Mandana here has given it her best. She was shooting for Pushpa 2, and we were there, and she used to finish shooting at about 7 o'clock. She used to join us at 9 o'clock in the evening. She used to be working with us till not well as well. And then, after she breaking her leg, she is still short with us, didn't cancel a single day. She reminds me a lot of me. Yeah.
You are broken ribs.
Younger me means yesterday coming. Yeah.
But you had a very tough time as well also. It's a lot of the times when you have an action hero image also.
When the going gets tough, the tough get going.
Now, for this entire star cast, we'll take all the mics. And you want that, right? That picture. Everyone over here should do that little picture. We'll take the mics. Yeah.